Malola malia hau e ki melelei ai tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ke utalitali lei ki mautol ki ho mo uni o ngongo me le tio kai umaafu ke televisioni tonga ki he hoani. Wakai koe ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Tau te angau e popula i Tongani, Tongatapu India, ke whiawe aki whafufu, pe koe whiawe aki tai whakalao e kakai whiwhine mei whisi ki Tongani. Fotua e whaiwhikau tonga mi sas au fitu, ke whaiwhikau ia wa atau tahi o i kautau a Australia. Pe a kātoa ngai whiawhia he ako taki mo ui Karistiani e sas katolika wāhenga maufanga, ai whoaki mea ofa ma ai longa i whānau, koe whakamanatua o i Kirismasi. E te ia i pe me ngāhi talanoa ki he anaiangi, whakataha me wakai ki he whaumimutaha me he malae o i sipoti, ka umu āwhu ki whaumatala ia, ka wakai lewa en ke whaikiki, ko au sinori tātu i vai. Ko tauteanga o e pōpula Tongatapu India, kai nofo whangaloto, ki hia koe whiawe aki tai whakalao, ai kakai whiwhine pe koe human trafficking. Ko e Tongatapu India ko e ni o ku tau ni mangofulu maawalu, ai nei tautea ia i he mahinani e whakamau lahi petunia tupou, kene ngau e pōpula i he tau e fitu i he plisone hu atoli-toli. O whikau aki eni mo ene lohi aki ha whiwhine fisi, ke toho aki aki ene toka ngā ke wholau mai mei fisi ki Tongani. Whai ki ke tana noa ko iai ki he hauani, pia mo wai whanua tūpola.
I he whamatala me he whakamau anga, ko e hia koe nini hoko ia i he waha au Septema ki o ka topa e tau ko o si. I a whakapuli e wha iloa ko ki tamasi i kei sii, i he media wha sosiale Facebook o ne whamahine ki he mamahi ke whiwhine fisi tau toluono. I ana mahinine toha ki e wha iloa ai toka ngai whiwhine fisini, ai ki ne whahokoangi ka whalau mai ki Tongani e mau e ne ngāue he hotele tanoa, i he totongi koe paanga hongo fulu ki he haua. Ka ko pau ki ha o nofo ihono api, pia tō kamata ngāue he aho fitua o ka topa. Ne toa ia mamahi i he toha ki koe ni whaho koe whakailoa o te tongia hi whailoa i te ki te whalau e whiwhine fisini. Whakataha mo ne talafi ha paanga ki fisi ki whakatau mai, he whiwhine fisini a ngahi koloa ki ha mo ia he ne whalau mai ki Tongani. I kai koe a pēka koe ni tū utai Tongani tena nofo ihono apnof anga o talitali ai ki he ne kamata ngāwe, ka koe lotonga e waha taimi koe ia tene toka ngā ilele ia whataha moe oange ha paanga tokoni mahono family. I he ne pehe ne whalau mai lewa whiwhine fisini he aho whaa o ka topa e tau ko o si, o ne whatonga e uloa ki wha ilonga e hangari kehe o e nā lea, mi he ne tu uta ko ia he malai whakapuna wha motu na ne whatonga ai kehe lai ata ko ia o e whaka iloa na ne ngai aki he pēsi mitia wha sosiale Facebook mo ia na ana whitau laki i he malai whakapuna wha motu. Ia nā au ki apnof anga wha iloa ne to e kehe mui whotunga e apnof anga me ngahi ata ne oange wha iloa i na talanoa i he Facebook. Ka ne pehe mamahi ne hangari mo oni pe ngahi alea na na whahoko ko i hui ke whafotunga e wha iloa, pehe ke ne o stalafiange ai paanga ki fisi pia ne o mai ai e si pinga o e whalala o mātou ngai i kai ke hangari kehe a whahinga mea kia te ia. Kai kehe i hene a umai ko ia ki Tongani o na nofo mo i wha iloa i whangaloto, ne iai e ngahi tō onga ngari kehe ne whahokoangi wha iloa kia te ia, pia ne pawai ki ne kum tokoni ki hano family ofi. I hea o e kawingani ke kau polisi ne puke ai e wha iloa i au fito o katopa o tāti kite ia ke te kite e wha o kawai e whiawi a ki ta e whakalao o i kakai. I hono whae ke he kau polisi e wha iloa ne hai hono whae kai i mamafa e wha iloa, ai ngai tuko ki o pehena ne lohi aki i e mamahi ke whalau mai ki Tongani o ngāwe he hotele, he koe nā lea na na oswhi mahino aki koe ne whalau mai ki na mali. Kai kehene i kai ki tui ki hene whakamaolahi a whakamaolahi tupou pe ni pawai ki ni whahala ia i e whakailoa pia tau tea ngai pōpula ia ki tau e fitu i he pilisone hua toli-toli. Mā ngonga li te omu televisone Tonga, ko au vai whanua tō pola.
O kūtoi pe ai lau houa, pia hoko o tangata ai alo e otua, ka koe talitali o e pilinisi o e melino ki mamani a pongpongina. Ko whawhiawhia iai e ngahi whungawaka ke he kehe o e siasi, ai ngahi kātoanga whuaki mea ofa ma ai longa i whānau. Nei whakahoko ai e he siasi katolika tai o sisi a Tonga Moniwe, wāhenga ma ufanga, ai polokalama toli a kau Krismasi, ma ai ako taki mo i Karistiane i holo Maria Tupu i Makulata ane awhi.
Koe polokalamani ne mea tonu ai a eik e piko po soane patita kati nani mawhi, koe whakawhi whakalangilangi e polokalama. O ku lau hoa pe, pea taritale Tongani tamasi i ko seisu, ka koe piri nisi o melino. Mono whakamanatua e kau Kristiani ko toa pē ahono aho alo I a apongpongi. Ne whakahoko e whanau, ahono whakatātā I e leson alo I e piri nis o melino, pe he ki ngai hiwa whakakirismasi. I he mea ai e ki ka nali nā ne pe he, koe make he anga o ngahi kātoanga whakawhiawhia o kirismasi, koe tutua toi māma ke whaka ai ke toi longo mo uiange a lau mālie o melino, mo whakamā opo a ngahi loto whale whamili, siasi mo whonua. Kai kehe, koe vai taimi e ni o kwanga maheni ke whemo e kina e ngai whale koloa I Nuku'alofa, I he lahi e kakai o ku whai ki ai e nau ngahi whakatau o I kai ngata pē I hono kumi e ngahi koloa mea tokoni, mo I koloa ke no teuteu I e nau ngahi api no whoanga, ka oku kau ki ai mo no kumi e ngahi matala I a kau, ki hono teuteu ake o ngahi mala e whaitoka koe kongai teuteu o kirismasi. I kai ngatai, ne whemo e kina mo ngahi panke I Nuku'alofa ni I he to'u laine e kakai, I hono toho e nau sēni ti kirismasi me hono ngai whamili I tua pureanga. E toi hoko atu pē ngahi hiwa whakakirismasi ko e ni I he whiawhini, o taritali ai pē hono whakamanatua a apongpongi nā. Ma ai o ngonga le tio mo televisione Tonga, kōritea tau kapo.
I he te wake ke hoko mai e au kirismasi. O ke hoko atu pē ngai whawhiawhia I he lau māli o kirismasi ai kakai o whunua, pe he whoki ki he ngahi siasi. Ko iai, nei whakahoko ai hapo hiwa whawhetai wha kirismasi, ai siaso sisu kalai se kauma oni o ngahi aho ki muini, I whale mamata anga spot ya atele I he whiawhi ane awhi. Ko e polo kalamani na I ai tonu a Petty Plague ilo lahia o o mai, ai whaiki ki o tala noko ia ki hawani.
I he lau mālie au o ngā taha, ne kau whakataha ai ngā siasi kehe I he polokala mā, o whakaha e nau tala monu ke amanaki ke hoko mai ai pilinisi o melino, a ki hapo hiwa, ko hae whiawhi I pēteli hema, nai whili e he otua ke whome ai ai tala ofa moi melino. Ne whakaha he ni ai ngāhi hiwa kehe pē ai kau hiwa ai siasi o sisu klais o kaumaun o ni o ngahi aho ki muini, pe he ke hiwa me siasi whetu ungingila mo ngāhi hiwa kehe pē. Pro tonga ai polokalama ne whakawaha aki ai ngāhi hiwa, ai ngāhi witio popo aki kirismasi me kau whakafofonga, me ngai siasi kehe o kau ki heni ai siasi tonga konistutone, siasi tokai kolo I a kalaisi, Assembly of God, Salvation Army, siasi mo ui fo'ou, mo siasi whakainua ni. Ne whakahahe ni mo Elda Sione Fifita Tuione, a ene tala monu ke kakai oi whanua I he te waki oi kirismasi, mo whakaamu, e tā I mālia e te kotaha kotoa I he lau mālia mo ofa oi pilinisi oi melino.
Ofa ke hoko ai kirismasi o wafe ua ni ma, ko kirismasi e tene o mai hangai tāpuaki, ke mō whiawhia ai, ke hoko ia ko mea ke makamairi aki o mō ngai whamiri. Ie tau wako ko ia ai whorowhora o ku maheno o fua ke ki tau tolu. Ai tāpuaki alo ofa, mo e tai whiriwhiri mana ko e ofa e o tua mai whiri ko e tau tamai he bani. Ke te tau tolu na ko tau pē ko e ne whanga. Nā ne ofa pehe ki e mamani, nā ne whoaki a ono alo pere ko sisu kalaisi. Ko I ko ia ko toa pehe tui pi ki tai ke te hea. E kai tene mate pe aua, ka ne mawai mō ki tai ngata. Ie te waki ko ia ki tau whamanatu, ai alo I o e pirinisi o ai melino. Ofa ke tau mao a ene lau a ono lau marie. Ka mo ene mama e tau hoko ai ko a mama mo a kakai. O kutoa le rei ange i e whanua koe ni tau o whai ko Tonga.
Kai ke he koe polo kalamani o kuwhakahai ai whingai aki wao fi ai ngahi siasi i Tonga ni ke tu whaki ai lau maalie mo loto mawhana o i amanaki ke hoko mai ai aho kilismasi a pongi pongi. Ma ai o ngongo ale te omo television e Tonga, ko au Peti Blake i lola hia.
Bea ko whakotō ai whaiwhikau tonga me sias au whitu ko Pastor William Moala ko whaiwhikau ai wa atautahi o kautau a Australia. Ko whapapau i eni me siasi ko uhi ko makamai leia ke iai hatoko taha tonga ke ne tata ke whatongia tau hi whakalau maari e ai taha o wa a tokolahi taha mo mahu inga ai kau sotia a Australia. Ko na whakotua Moala ko hilia ai mahina i tahaua e ngahi ako ngā au e kona whakotua whaiwhikau ma ai tautahi. I he ngā ue whaiwhikau a Moala, tēne kāwai mweni ihi kehe koe kau whaiwhikau e tautahi, ai te nau toka ngā e kinai ai mo i whalau maari a ki nau tolu o ku nau whakawhatongia i Australia i he wa a tautahi. I he whamatala Moala, ko hoko ene misi o mo oni, ko uhi ko taha eni i hene ngahi tau mua mi he kuhili, ke ne hoko ka whaiwhikau ma ai kau sotia a Australia. Nā ne tuku pā i pē ke ne whakahoko whatongia ke no malui ai mo ui whakalau māli e, ai kau ofisa ngā ue o knauri ak mo ui ke nau malui ai kau a whanua a Australia ai ako kau tautahi. Uni o ngō whalotu whanua i ke hauani, koe wakaliwa en ke whamimitaha mi he mala e o sipoti o kahili eni pia mo Mark ake.
Mehi akapolu inioni, na e tuku atu he karapo e marisi apu ou, ha whakamanatu ki he timi foi oni one, koe haulolo donga nau toru a ipu alawenga maari e. Koe hirini i kune marisi i he haapai seasides aniafi i he pāke te uwhaiwa, a ke kai koe torunoa ki he uahiwa. Koe taha whogeni ngahi whainga maari e taha we whiauhi, koe uhina e mahino koe whainga matuaki whepoli mo oni ai o ngoti mi. O toki ha musi pehe Malaysia i kuna i he momeni ti whakaosi peka kato e tai mi. Nengo ne roa ki tatao haapai, ka nei whetungi tuki a Malaysia mo e nau tatao. I he malolo e wainga nei take Malaysia taha walu ki he taha fitu. Koe konga lahi tu uhono ua nei take Malaysia ua tolu ki he taha fitu. Ka nei toki turikai hake haapai mo e nau tatao e ua, ka nei kai ke hu ai aka whakahu whakaosi, o tu e kai ua hiva haapai ki he watolu e Malaysia. I he momeni ti whakaosi wainga, na e tuki pe Malaysia he matapā ki hrain tatao a haapai me hila ni mitani mā. Na e tōtō pikin kōpet ai temi a Malaysia o na wao ki hila ni tatao. Na tuk whakahu he whesi e Malaysia, Patricia one poini e ua, ke mau ai pe Malaysia i kuna torunoa ua hiwa. I he ngahi wainga makehe na e malohi ai lawenga maari hurricanes i haasini wha tolu ki he tahahiwa, ka e mālohi kau maki mai ange i lausi i hihifo tolu hiwa ki he uawalu. Ka e ke, koe ngahi timi ku ngali ko na wao ki kota whainolo i ipu ai lawenga maali e, o ipu a lawenga maali e, o kau ki ai maali si, haapai, hihifo tukuhali, i kare a kolomotua, ngere ia warlords, Spartans a ha te iho, tolo old boys, moifasi maufanga Vikings.
Ko Mark ake mo whamimitaha me he mala e o sipoti, te tau hoko lewa eni ki he whamatala ea, tuko me senta whamatala ea tonga i whamutu mo e poto ngoi meidek.
Malalau mahi e ho eki mo le rea tonga kotoa te tai lemu tangi whawapete ta whamatala ea koe ki he whiawhini, e te tau sio at ki he whiawhini o hao ki a pompom ka koe aho Christmas i pia, hoko toi pia ki he aho mahango. E ko tau whaifononga at koe ni e wahi peke aho mahangi e hangai fufonga mai a la amo vela. ai tai a hota te fito pe ni ki e nia ko Tongatapu e o ka ki he whakatoke lau na tūra ke he whatonga e kei toka pe alo tamaki wa e pe kei hoko atu e pe tau whea o tu mo uha tu mo tō kai pe he ki whainga maari e ke ia e moha mana tau te fito e ni ki he o ni wa kai pe he ki ponga ni ihi o wawao ka pate mo mea mai pe i misa te laite ka alo tamaki uha toka i he whakahihi fō ni usia e ria ko ia o i o ni wa i ngai hoa kuna tau toki si tu a mea i pe nei whuke mana mo uha tu mo tō i he o ni wa a ki he tonga ko ia o i o Tonga nei lahi peke alo maari o wa uha pai Tongatapu kai pe he ki e ua o koe whuke whatokanga hako kai pe he ki he whare i tokanga ki he ngahi makai ki potahi ko ia o wawa u makai ke hanima koe nga hoko mai ka mata ato pongpongi whatonga ia ka alo maari nofo ki he whakatonga ai ia pe koe ma alo tamaki uha o nofo ia ki he e ria ko wawa mo e ria ko ia o iongoni o whawofua ke toki ngā unu ia ki he whakatoke lau ai au hanga ia e he alo maari ko ni o teke alo tamaki uha koe ni ke ngā unu ke whakatoke lau au koe au ke he whakatoke ko ia o e wike alo maari e koe whewhenga mai na a ki he kotoa pe o tonga whatonga e alo tamaki uha ko whai e tui sio ki a ki he whakatoke ko ia wike kaha u a koe ai pe e ngahi matu ngā te tau wau atu ki ai e malawa pe ki ai e ngahi liu ka koe whiawhini e no whaiwhanonga atu ki he pongponga Christmasi whatonga e nge nofo o pe alo tamaki uha ko ni e ngā unu tūmutua ki nge ko ni e kamata ke ngā unu mai ki wawa kai lahi peke alo maari e ai o tuha pai ke pe ki Tongatapu e mawe o te havire potahi ki ia o e potahi ko ia wawau au pe ai ki he mai te tahi wanima ki hoa i hangahi taimi kei ma whana pe ai tau whaiwhanonga atu koe ni whakahoa ki ngai ahuna tau toksi tu o mea ai pe au wau e ke tigri se siasi e wato ima e hia ko ia o haapai ka te kiswena ni e wā ko a pongponga hau Christmasi alo maari au pito a haapai ka te Tongatapu e o mai o te pe no fo alo tamaki wahe e ria ko ia o ia ni wā au whai peke whakatoke lau ko ia wau koe hamiru kei maalo he te pe e ria po tahi ko ia o wawau au peke mai te tahi wanima ki he hoa i hangahi taime ko e fua mawhana e na whatonga e ko mawhana taha ki a pongpongi ko Tongatapu e wau peke he tiri se tō taha tupu pe ia me he aho la a pongpongi a ianga koe whai at ki ai ai wakai e whiawh tō pera lupu koe whiawh ka pongpongi o whaiwhanonga tu ai ki he pongpong whalai te kei nofo pe alo tamaku wahi e ria koe o ni wā e ua tu mo tōna lau kei ngō mana ai pe he ke whakatoke lau koe o wawau alo maari a puto pe e ria ko Tongatapu e wā a whia ngai taimi ki he whakatoke lau ko ia o haapai pia whainga maari ke mua ua tu mo tōhi haapai Tongatapu pia mo e ua koe fua maa whanā ena e au kei he pongpong whalai te whatonga ia nge na Tongatapu pe ia mo e makai ko kia pongpongi au kei hanga sio kei ma whana pe a ia i tai mo bi whahoa ki ngai aho na tō toksi tu a mei ai tā koe a whalai te whatonga e kei nofo fuoroa pe ai alo tamaki uha koe ni he o ni ua pe ai e ua tu mo tō kei mawawa pe ki ai moha lolo lahi e ngai tai mahino ko pe alo maari a Tongatapu e ua pe a awa fia i ngai tai pe lahi pe ke awa fia e ria ko ia o wawa o kai pe he ki a pai mo hoa koe pe maalo he haviri ki he whiawhi whalai te whatonga e ingo taimi tahe tau maari he pōne o squata koe me tātā maha toka ia i he tohongo fulu ko ia ki he nima a hengi te toi maha toka pe o squata ko ia mi he nima e whiawhia a pongpongi taimi koe la a moe mahina hopa he la a i he laini koe ono a pongpongi tō ia i osmi te wōko mi whitu tō ai mahina i he laini koe hawhi koe tātā hai pōne bea tok hopo ia pongpongi i osmi te whitu ko ia mi he hongo fulu ka ahani ma koe ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa ka mata te whalai te whatonga ia ni koe ahoi e lahi peke alo maari e hangai fofonga mai la a vela ute la a i tai maho whatonga ia nge au peke tiri se sase tō noa ki he tō tāpea e ai pe mua whangi uha tūmo tō whawafua ki he tō honaki mōni te ka mai tō sike ko e tau ngata a ngā pe ia ki he whiawhini ko whatawangi ke mō mao ha aho Christmas te rei ki a pongpongina ka he pehe ki he toinga atu o e whaasinga koe ni keni ka tau tok mātā i he kamataanga o i wike kahau ka mō mea
Pea mai ka kāte pe ho mō uni o ngongo i he lea whatonga ki mō patau mā vai tato e wakai peheni ke ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Tau te anga o pōpula i Tongani, hamatapule India, ke whiawe a ki whafufu, pe ko e whiawe a ki tai whakalao o kakai whiwhine mei whisi ki Tongani. Fotua e whaiwhikau tonga Mrs. Alfitu, ke whaiwhikau ia wa a tautahi o i kautau a Australia. Pea katoa ngai fia he ako taki mo ui Karistiani ai Sas Katolika wahenga maufanga ai foaki mea ofa ma ai longa i whanau koe whamanatua o i Krismasi. Pea mga katoa pea mo uni o ngongo i lea whatonga me ledio ka maafoki a television i Tonga ki he ohoani. O kua te pea whafofonga koe tala monu me he pule lahi o i Komson whamafola lea Tonga pea ki he wa au ngonga ledio me television i Tonga ai pōpoa ki wha Krismasi. O whake mo mauha aho Christmas fia a pongpong hina. Malo tau kei whia aho mai, kwa o sonorita tu iwai, ka mōmea.
Good evening and welcome to your news in English with Radio and Television Tonga for tonight. Leading our bulletin for the hour, an Indian man jailed for 7 years for human trafficking in Tonga. Tongan Adventist pastor appointed as Australia's Navy chaplain, and many churches celebrates Christmas Eve tonight ahead of Christmas Day tomorrow. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin with the latest from sports and the latest weather update. Now on Vaifonato Paula with the stories in detail. An Indian man, Ashok Kumar, has been sentenced to 7 years in prison for human trafficking in Tonga. Kumar, a resident of Whangaloto, was found guilty of deceiving a Fijian woman into coming to Tonga for work. I'll tell you more on the judgment. The victim, a 36-year-old Fijian woman, was contacted by Kumar through Facebook, where he promised her a job at the Tanoa Hotel with a salary of 10 pa'anga per hour. Kumar paid for her flight to Tonga and provided accommodation for her, but the circumstances were different from what was promised. Upon arrival, the woman realized that she was not going to work at the hotel as promised. Instead, Kumar asked her to stay with him and provided her with some money for her family. The woman became suspicious and contacted her family in Fiji, who alerted authorities. Kumar was arrested on October 7th and charged with human trafficking, but he denied the allegations, claiming the woman came to Tonga to marry him. However, the court found him guilty and he was sentenced to 7 years in prison. The case highlights the issue of human trafficking in Tonga and the need for vigilance in preventing such crimes. However, the government and authorities are working to combat human trafficking and protect victims. With only a few hours remaining before the Prince of Peace is born, various church groups have been filled with joy through the giving of gifts to young children. The Catholic Church Diocese of Tonga Niue, Maufanga Parish, carried out a Christmas carol last night, a program together with the ECL, a program that gathered young children to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Lydia Taukapo reports.
The program was honored by the presence of His Eminence, Cardinal Swanipatita Mafi, as the special guest. With only a few hours left, Tonga awaits the birth of the child Jesus, the Prince of Peace, whose birth will be celebrated by all Christians tomorrow morning. The children performed a drama of lessons about love and the Prince of Peace along with Christmas songs. In his message, Cardinal Mafi said that the special meaning of Christmas celebration is the lighting of lights, as encouragement to strengthen the spirit of peace and unity within families, the church, and the nation. Meanwhile, this is also the time when shops in Nuku'alofa are very busy, as many people are shopping not only for food and household decoration, but also for flowers and plants to decorate graves, which is part of Christmas preparations. Not only that, banks in Nuku'alofa have also been crowded with people lining up to withdraw Christmas money sent by their families from overseas. Christmas songs and celebrations will continue this evening as people await the commemoration tomorrow morning. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Lydia Taukapo.
Yeah.
In the spirit of unity, various churches came together to celebrate the coming of the Prince of Peace through a night of music, a symbolic night in Bethlehem. Yesterday evening, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saint hosted a Christmas carol program at Adela Indoor Stadium. More on that story with Betty Blake Ilolahia.
The program featured a wide variety of music with performances by singers from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, the Fetu'ungingila Church, and selections of other inspiring songs. During the event, video representations were interwoven with messages from representatives of several denominations, including the Constitutional Church of Tonga, the Tokaikolo Church, the Assembly of God, the Salvation Army, the Mo'uifo'o Church, and the Anglican Church, all extending their heartfelt Christmas wishes to the people of Tonga. Elder Sione Tu'ione of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints also expressed hopes that everyone would be filled with the spirit and love of the Prince of Peace, reminding the audience that God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. The evening concluded with a shared sense of joy and unity as voices rose together in song, echoing the timeless message of peace, love, and hope that Christmas brings to the hearts of all. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Betty Blake, Ilolahia.
And a Tongan Adventist pastor, William Moala, has been appointed as a Navy chaplain with the Australian Defence Force. This appointment is a milestone for the church as it aims to provide spiritual guidance to one of the largest and most significant groups of Australian service members. Pastor Moala's appointment comes after 12 months of preparation and training. He will work alongside other chaplains to care for the spiritual well-being of those serving in the Australian Navy. In a statement, Pastor Moala said his mission has always been to serve as a chaplain to the Australian Defence Force, protecting and supporting the lives of officers and personnel who serve to protect the Australian government. And that's it from the local scene. Sports is up next after this break with Mark Ake. Stay tuned.
Rugby Union, the defending Lavenga Cup champions, Marist, reminded the Hawaii Seasides that they are the top dogs with a narrow victory in yesterday's main event at Te Whaiva. The Marist grasped victory at the final minute to hold off a tough Hawaii side 30 points to 29. This was a much anticipated fixture as both teams were undefeated, with Hawaii proving to be favorites. The Marist were first to draw blood thanks to a drop goal from flyer Patricio Oneone from near the halfway mark. Hawaii responded with the first try through a rolling maul. The Marist responded with their first try after a quick tap and go from Hawaii's 10-meter line. Hawaii capitalized on a mistake from Oneone, who went in for a high ball but left the ball behind for Hawaii to score. The Seasides were not done yet after a clean break from their number 8 all the way from Hawaii's own 20-meter line and made it to the Marist 22, where the ball eventually found their wing. Marist made sure to have the final statement of the first half with one more try. At halftime, it was 18-17, Marist in the lead. The Marist controlled much of the second half, being first to score, and up 23-17 for a majority of the half. Hawaii finally responded with 2 tries around the final quarter, however they missed their final conversion and led 29-23. A yellow card against Hawaii allowed the Marist to find their way to Hawaii's 22, where they scored after a series of pick and goes. With the conversion at full time, the Marist won 30-29. In the undercard fixtures, the Lavenga Hurricanes beat Ha'asini 43 points to 19, and Kaumaki Mayange defeated Lausi'ihihifo 39 points to 28. Teams that seem to have booked their tickets to the quarterfinals include the Marist, Ha'apai, Hihifo Tukuhali, Kolmatua Eagles, Ngere'ia Warlords, Ha'ateo Spartans, Tolo Old Boys, and the Fasi Maufanga Vikings.
There was Mark Ake with the latest news from sports. Now, looking at the latest weather update issued from the Whaamotu Weather Forecasting Centre at 7 o'clock this evening with Petelo Taulaki.
Evening once again from Tonga Meteorological and Coastal Radio Services. Welcome to your Christmas Eve weather update. So we will be looking at this evening, Christmas Eve, Christmas and Boxing Day. For the time of period, we're going to experience blue skies, clear spells with very strong sunshine associated with hot temperatures during the daytime, especially the southern parts of Tonga, Tongatapu and Ewa. Further to the north, they will be experiencing wet conditions continuously, risk of disruption of hefty downpour with risk of thunderstorms, especially over Nuku'alofa and some parts of Vava'u. Take a look at the latest satellite imagery. What we have identified here is those thick clouds lies across to the west, affecting the areas of Nuku'alofa and Tongatapu. They will experience hefty downpour with thunderstorms in the past few hours. And for the rest of the country, they will experience wide spread of blue skies with very strong sunshine across Vava'u by Tongatapu and Ewa. First, we have our warnings. We have a strong wind warning and small craft advisory are still there for the central waters of Tonga, especially over coastal waters. And previously, we have just cancelled these warnings once again for the coastal waters of Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu and Vava'u as well. For the next upcoming 5 days, here's our setup. We have this cheeky high pressure lies towards to the southeast of the group, and we have these disruptions here. Spells of hefty downpour lies across to the central and to the northern parts of the group, which is tended to move north due to this high pressure. So thanks again to this high pressure, it will clear off everything as we head towards this weekend. So this weekend, everything will be clears up, a clear spells, very strong sunshine for the country, and we have a concern here for the upcoming new year. So the end of next week, we approach this frontal system to affect our area. However, there still be discrepancies of how this frontal system approaches in related to other models predictions. For this evening, Christmas Eve until Christmas morning, we still have those more clouds across to the northern parts of the group with some recent heat showers started to move close to the areas of northern of Vava'u, and the rest, they will be experiencing fine condition out by Tongatapu and Ewa. The winds still having storms over the central part of Tonga, reaching up to 25 knots at time, especially over Vava'u coastal waters. And moving further to the north, they will be experiencing light and variable winds. The overnight temperatures will be similar to what we experienced in the past few days, still having warm and uncomfortable for sleeping. Throughout Christmas, we'll still have those pulse of continuously of heavy showers towards to the northern parts of the group, Nuku'alofa, northern of Vava'u, while having clear spells with strong sunshine across Tongatapu and Ewa. The winds still getting blustery across to the northern and central parts of Tonga, especially over Vava'u coastal waters, and our highest temperatures will be reaching 31 over the southern parts of Tonga due to more sunlight, and the rest they will be experiencing 21 and 30s over the news, even though they had cloudy conditions with wet as well. So throughout tomorrow afternoon, Christmas afternoon until Boxing Day in the morning, we'll be having those more clouds towards the northern parts, still having persist on this pulse of heavy showers, potential risk of thunderstorms, while having fine bright skies to the southern parts of Tonga with some few showers. Overnight temperatures for Friday are similar to what we are going to have for tomorrow, so still uncomfortable for sleeping. The winds will start to ease off as we head on Boxing Day, but we still have those persistence of continuously heavy bounce of showers, mist and hits over Nuku'alofa, northern parts of Vava'u, and still clears off to the southern parts of Tonga, Tongatapu, Ewa, and the southern of Ha'apai. Now the tide predictions: high tide will be around tonight at 11:15. Low tide will be tomorrow early at 4:50 a.m. and the second one will be past 5 p.m. later tomorrow afternoon. The sun and moon, the sunrise will be around 6, sunset will be 22 minutes past 7, moonset will be 10:31 p.m. by later tonight, and the moonrise will be 10:07 by tomorrow morning. Now last, our 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa. Overall it will be having a fine conditions. In other words, very strong sunshine, hot days reaching those spot temperatures of the 30 to 31. Nonetheless, they will be having some few showers on Saturday, even on Monday, and on Tuesday next week. That's quite all from us for this evening. We thank you once again for your watching. And once again, Tonga Meteorological and Coastal Radio Services wishing you a Merry Christmas and enjoy your holidays. And we will see you again by next week. Bye for now.
That was Pedelo Taulaki with the latest weather update, wrapping up your English news package for tonight. But before we part, here's one final look at the hour's top stories. An Indian man jailed for 7 years for human trafficking in Tonga. Tongan Adventist pastor appointed as Australia's Navy chaplain. And many churches celebrate Christmas Eve tonight ahead of Christmas Day tomorrow. That's it for tonight. Thank you for joining us. I'm Vafanoto Paula. Good evening.